letter that you wrote, Snuffy.
Yep.
Hi, welcome to Sesame Street. Snuffy has written a letter to his grandma, and we're going to mail it in the Sesame Street mailbox.
Actually, my mommy printed the words, but I told her what to write.
Well, that's writing too, old pal. So what's the letter about, Snuffy?
Well, it's a question for my granny to answer. Go ahead, read it, Bert.
Okay. Dear Granny. Oh, that's nicely put, Snuff.
Oh, it's nothing.
It says, when are you coming to Sesame Street?
That's the question.
Well, you have to ask questions if you want to get answers, old pal. Let's see. I miss you. Love, Snuffy.
That's so she'll know who wrote it.
You think of everything, Snuff.
Oh, quick, let's mail it. And when she gets it, she'll write me back and tell me when she's coming.
Okay. It's a great letter, huh, Burketeers?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the mailbox and we'll mail it.
All right. Off to the mailbox.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I wonder if we're forgetting anything. I guess not. Okay. I'll tell you what. You kids hold the letter, and I'll open the mail slot, and then you just drop it in. Okay. Can you get it?
Whoa, wait a minute. What are you guys doing?
We're mailing a letter to my grandma.
You can't mail a letter like this.
Why not?
No envelope. It'll get torn up. You've got to put it in an envelope.
Oh, so that's what we forgot.
Uh-huh.
We forgot to put it in an envelope.
Yes.
Oh.
Well, a big envelope.
Okay. I'll go get one from home.
Boy, that Snuffy is so resourceful. You know, this letter's starting to look a little wrinkled. I think I'll have to go smooth it out.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, thanks for helping, kids. See you later.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Do you think they're going to be able to mail that letter?
No.
Well, there we go.
To think that we tried sending a letter to my granny without putting it in an envelope.
Yeah. Silly us.
Yeah. Now what do we do, Bert?
Oh, well, we should close the envelope, and that way the letter won't fall out.
Oh.
Okay. So we just fold it here. Oops. I didn't do it right. Here we go. Wait a minute.
I don't know how anything gets mailed, Bird.
You know what? I think that you're supposed to glue it shut. See, there's glue along the edge, and so you have to lick it. Lick the sticky stuff.
Oh, yeah. You lick it and close it, and it stays closed.
That's right.
All right. Here I go.
That's wet enough, Snuffy.
There.
It's time to close the envelope.
Okay.
Okay, take your snuffle away so I can close the envelope.
Okay, Bird.
Snuffy, take your snuffle away.
I can't, Bird. It's stuck.
Now, what do you do when your granny's letter is stuck to your snuffle? I'll help you, old pal. Here, hold still.
Bird.
I'll get it. Okay, I'll just pull.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna pull.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Huh? You okay, Bird?
Yeah.
Good.
And look, Snuffy, I closed the envelope.
Thanks, Bird. Let's go mail this letter.
At last.
Yes.
Let's go. La, la, la. Here we
There
go.
you go.
Wait, don't mail that letter.
Why not?
How will the letter carrier know who it's going to?
Well, it's going to my granny.
You have to put her name and address on the envelope, or the letter carrier won't know it's going to her.
gee. She's right.
Foiled again, Bird.
What do we do now?
Well, I know. I'll take it home, and my mommy will write my granny's address on the envelope.
Oh, what a great idea. Oh, that's Snuffy. He just keeps on going and going and going. But he went without the letter. Hey, thanks, Lexine. I'll take it to him. Hey, Snuffy, wait for me. Well, Snuffy, now they'll know where to send this.
Yep, because it has my granny's address on it.
Yes. Granny Snuffleupagus, K Street, Snuffleville, Ohio.
That's where she lives.
And so why did your mommy write the letter K in red, Snuffy?
Because there's a lot of letter streets in Snuffleville, and K Street is just one of them.
A lot of letter streets?
Mm-hmm.
How many?
Well, let's see. There's A Street, B Street, C Street, D Street, E Street, F Street, G Street, H Street, I Street, J Street, K Street, L Street, M Street, N Street, O Street, P Street, Q Street, R Street, S Street, T Street, U Street, V Street, W Street, X Street, Y Street, and of course, Z Street.
Fascinating stuff.
And there's a song that helps Snuffleville kids remember them.
Really?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G Street. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P Street. Q, R, S, T, U, V Street. W, X, Y, and Z Street. We have streets from A to Z Street. Won't you sing along with me, Street?
You know what? That must be an awfully long street, Snuffy.
What street, Bird?
Won't you sing along with me, Street?
Yeah, but seriously, Bird, we've done it all. We've written the letter, we've put it in an envelope, we have licked the envelope, and we've put an address on the envelope. Now it is time to mail it.
Okay, Snuff. First, let me check something.
Okay.
Okay. This time, there's no one around to stop us. Come on.
Yes.
Here we go at last.
Whoa, wait a minute, hold it. You can't mail that letter.
Aw, gee.
All right, what's wrong now? Why can't we mail this letter to my granny?
Well, there's no stamp on it. I mean, if you don't have a stamp on the letter, they can't take it to your granny. See? Letter, stamp. And that letter is going to take a very, very large stamp.
Wait, my mommy has large snuffle stamps at home. I'll go get one. Oh, hang in there, Granny. Your letter is coming.
My friend Snuffy never gives up. When the going gets tough, the snuff gets going. Wait for me, Snuffy.
A snuffle stamp. I wonder whose picture is on it.
Well, you're doing good, Snuffy. Snuffy is just licking the stamp so we can stick it on the envelope and mail it off to Granny.
Who's the picture on the stamp?
Oh, it's Thomas Alva Snuffison, right, Snuffy?
Mm-hmm.
What did he do?
He was an inventor.
Yeah? What did he invent?
Oh, the electric cabbage.
Mm-hmm.
I think you've licked the stamp enough, Snuffy. The letter carrier is waiting.
Okay, Bird. Stick it on the envelope, then.
Well, I would, but you haven't let go of the stamp.
Oh, dear. I think maybe that little stamp is stuck to my snuffle.
Oh, no. This happens when he licks things. Yeah, excuse us.
You see everything in this business.
I mean, pull, Snuffy, pull. Ah. Well, it's sticky enough. Now, what?
Well, now you stick it on the envelope.
Oh, I can do that. There.
We wrote the letter, we put it in the envelope. We licked the envelope, we addressed the envelope. Licked the stamp, put it on the envelope, and even put on a zip code.
Yes, sirree. And now it's done.
No, it's not.
Oh, no!
What's left?
You have to mail it, and that's my job. This letter's way too big to fit into the mailbox, so I'm going to have to take this baby down to the post office. Consider it mailed.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Mr. Mailperson.
Yeah, thanks. Wow.
We did it.
We did it. We did it.
We mailed a letter to your granny.
An important letter, and it says, Dear Granny, when are you coming to Sesame Street?
Hello, Aloysius. I've come for a visit.
Granny!
Oh, Aloysius.
Gee, you talk about your fast answers to mail.
Granny!
Oh, Aloysius.
Hey, hi, Granny. Snuffleupagus, how about a hug for Snuffy's best friend?
Oh, of course, Big Bird. Come here. Oh.
Wow. It sure pays to write a letter. Wait, me too! Me too!
Oh, come here. Good night, Moon. Good night, Cabbage. Good night, Spaghetti.
I love those Snuffleupagus storybooks.
Granny, I mailed you a letter just before you came to visit.
Oh, and it had a question in it.
Really? What was it, lad?
Dear Granny, when are you coming to Sesame Street?
And he ended the letter with, Love, Snuffy.
Well, now you know the answer. Here I am.
But when you get back home, will you please read the letter and answer it?
Why?
I want to know when you're coming back.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, and I
Sesame
wanna
Street
get a
was
letter
brought to
in
you
the mail.
today by the letter K and by the number 4.
Okay, Aloysius, I'll answer your letter.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Yep. And Slimy's spaceship is still on its way back to Sesame Street.
What's the next story, Granny?
How about Mrs. Wiggs and the Spaghetti Patch?
Can't wait.
Ooh.